What's up, everybody? It's me, the Gaming Pickle, and I'm back here with another video today. And today, I would like to show you something. It's a glitch, I think. So, I have no skins equipped. No matter what, you have to have a skin equipped. Piggy, little brother, all these, all book one, none's equipped. None is equipped. None, absolutely none. Same as book 2. I don't own all of book 2 skins, but I have some. And I need one more round until I get Marcus. I got the Willow skin, still not equipped. I'll even show you all my skins extras. None. Not even Sentinel. Except, I do have one equipped in book 1. Yeah, it's the arrow. Totally equipped the arrow. I got the bot of chapter 12 lab, and today, I just wanted to show it. I just realized, yes, we've been playing this the whole time, right? Right? Alright, now, back to the main problem. A new employee. How would you like a job? No, you wouldn't want to be hired? I want to be a waiter, but you still have to be employed. You all know. This guy's confusing me, and I don't like confusion. Stop! He's taking me with him! What's he still here? Get this. Sorry, guys. I just don't know what's happening. Oh! He got rid of my plate! I'm getting rid of my plates. Please tell me he's gone. Yeah! And what's this? Store. I just made a mistake. Never mind. Just act like some of that footage did not happen. Alright, but we're playing Piggy other than that one time I was chef, but I'm not a chef anymore. I was never a chef. Who was a chef? I was a chef. Who is not a chef? I'm not a chef. But we're playing book 2, I see. I guess people really like this story thing. I don't. Oh yeah, every Piggy video, I'm gonna ask you guys to tell me what skin you want me to be, and even if it is one I don't have, I'll do no matter what to get it and wear it the next video. So if you guys want me to wear like Mr. B and hopefully don't get logged out the world, hit a like and subscribe and comment Mr. B, and then I'll be him. If you want Katie, type in Kate in the comments. I'll be if you want, say I don't have Sizzle, and Sizzle's pretty cool skin. I have him on my alt account, but if you want me to buy him on my main and be him, just type in Sizzle. But if you want me to be Craxical, it's just easy. I don't have to do anything. If you want me to be any of these, just say the word. You guys saw nothing. Guys, we're in the final part number out, and I'm about to get another ending. What? How? I'm awesome. That's all. It's gonna be easier because we have like 5 minutes, and I did this once by myself. 2 minutes. We need something. Something I don't need. Screwdriver. Wow, what are the coincidences? Coincidences. Can't talk and never will. Can't talk and never will. Sentinel. Oh no, my WK fell out. Woo, woo. 2 sentinels following. There's a trap and I got the win. Yeah, take that. Tiger. Don't even like you. Hopefully I get a new one. Whoa! Not over there, not over there, not over there, not over there. Where did I put the screwdriver? That's all we need. Yeah! Let's go. Willow, save your ending. Thanks for the help, but I probably didn't need it. You were using squirt guns. I could have totally knocked him out on my own. I find the sentinel, like you were getting into a little trouble there. Are you sure you didn't need my help? Look, I give you my thanks. I don't know what more you want from me, buddy. How about an essay as a policy? Essay's like 25 sentences. Alright, now you're pushing it. Dude, I'm not pushing it, you're pushing it. Is Tyree gonna be alright? No, he's not. He's knocked out and being collapsed by sentinels. He'll be fine, I'm sure. I don't think he'll wake up until after we're gone, though. Dude, he's infected. Soon. Let's just grab and find others. You're coming, right? I unfortunately plan on it. I need to just a minute alone if that's okay. Got it. Just taking on that. Oh yeah, I'm outside in the snow, wee. Pony? You sitting down, you little squirt cunt? Is everything okay? Things were okay a long time ago before this whole infection started. Nothing's been okay since. I'm infected, Dill Pickle 122. I was attacked at the docks. Oh yeah, Marcus stabbed him in the chest. I'm surprised you did. No, I don't believe you. Get out. No, we have to save Shaggy. I can't feel much anymore. Looks like we're gonna have to do it yourself. Oh, I have the key. I'm gonna go. Leave without you. Ah, wait, the key. Willow's got it. We can give it to you. Where is she? She's not coming to Pickle 122. You and I both know that. This is all just a joke, right? Tell me this is a joke. A terrible twisted joke. I can sit here and lie to you all I want, but it's only gonna make the truth hurt more. Can you do me one last favor? Take good care of the kids. They'll need you. I will, Pony. I will, Arthur. Hey, another favor. I hated to be a bother, but cheer up. look at us, how far we've gotten. I don't think I could have gotten to this point with anyone else still Piggy 122. Remember that? I forgive you, Arthur. My name's not Arthur. You don't mean that. I really do. You left due to your great and you having to live without your kid must be horrible enough. Thank you, dear people 122. Will you remember me even after? Huh? Take it. Is that some sick trick you're trying to do, like I was trying to do? To do Pickle 122. It will be if you don't take it. So take it. Thank you, Willow. But why? Don't you have others you want to save? I want to save ponies with classes, Arthur. As much as I hate to admit it, I guess you're necessary. That's the nicest thing you've ever said to me, and will be. And it will stay like that way. Here they are. Giraffe, your leg is healed from the pew-pew gun. Hey, it's so good to see you all again. Yeah, after my leg was broken, I contacted Mimi on the radio. I feel much better and now made my way over here to help you of the silver paw. You mean Will? Sorry for leaving you guys. We just had to get Giraffe on the other side of the ocean. Huh? Did you guys find the key? Oh yeah, I said here in chapter 12, book 1. We found it, but it was crushed under all the rubble. He drank it. Does that mean we won't save Zizzy? They all move in a sight. Listen, Zuzi, I know it's not going to be easy moving forward, but Zizzy would have wanted you to be strong. I'm just moving on him. You're right, even though I'm going to miss her, she taught us how to be tough like her. And who knows, maybe someday another cure will be made someplace. Make a cure yourself. That's right, with how these scientists here manage a cure, sure others will be able to. Since Kona is studying the infected, maybe he can help us make our own. She should grab any files here. Here's to a brighter future. Hey, where did Willow go? Yeah, I just left, guys, a dip. I didn't like Arthur's face anymore. I just left. He was not necessary. Wow, the cutscene took like 5 minutes. Well, that will be the end of the episode today. You guys can watch the credits. I am going to leave to outer space, leave to the moon, leave to the whatever made by Minitoon and IT. Just be the game forever and ever. Got 2 of the 4 endings, 5 endings. If you guys want me to do anything else with the video, like build a map or eat those donuts. Yeah. Doggy is trying to get. Yeah, those donuts look good. Why'd you put them up there, dog? Wait, what if Giraffe did? Most evil villain, Giraffe. Alright, so where am I in the credits? Am I in the credits anywhere? Hello? Am I in the credits? 5 minus 3 is 2. Can you wear free? Listen up, class. What is it? Susie! Susie's dead. I'm in the credits. Still Pickle 122. Take that. Take it. Take it. I am the king. Everyone likes me. I am famous. I would. Well, that's it. Hit the subscribe and comment what skin